Welcome everyone. I'm your instructor, Mrs. Ejoma. Today, we'll be talking about science and technology. Year 8, Week 1. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to define science, technology, and society. Should be able to state the stages in science and technology. And finally, you should be able to state the importance of science and technology. What is science, technology, and society? Science, in its literal meaning, can be defined as a way of gathering and organizing information about the natural world. Science can also be likened to a process by which new knowledge and understanding of the world is acquired. The more man acquires knowledge, the more man improves in his living conditions. Technology is the application of scientific knowledge to create things and solve man's problems so that the environment can be a better place to stay. It is after the acquisition of the knowledge of science, then technology will come into existence. It is what a student have learned from science, the knowledge you have acquired from science, you'll be able to apply it to produce something, then technology take place. And the last one is society. Society is a group of people who live in an area and share the same physical and social environment. It can be likened to a large group of people who live together in an organized way, making decisions about how to do things and sharing the work that needs to be done. All the people in a country, in a state, or in several similar countries can also be referred to as a society. Now we go to stages or aspects of science and technology. We have various aspects of science and technology. Number one of it is definition of a problem, observation, experimentation, and analysis. We start with definition of a problem. In science, the first step is to identify a particular problem that needs solution. Before we can bring solution to any problem, of course, we must define the problem. This can be an event, occurrence, or action of both animate or inanimate, that is, living things and non-living things. We can always find the cause of any problem before we bring solution to it. The next step is observation. Observation is the basis of experimentation. It's in solving an identified problem, scientists make observation over a period of time. From observation, further information and data can be gathered. When a child is sick and the mother takes the child to the hospital, the doctor or the nurse will observe the child. They may tell the child to put the child on the bed for like 20 to 30 minutes, observing the temperature or the situation of the child before they know the next step to take to handle the case of the child. Then we have experimentation. Experimentation involves the process of testing an hypothesis. What do we mean by hypothesis? Hypothesis is statements expressing an idea which may be true or false until it is tested or proven. And the last phase is analysis. An analysis is the scientific process of examining something in order to find out what it consists of. They collect blood samples for analysis at laboratory. We have all been to laboratory in one way or the other. Blood samples will be taken, or is a woman that is pregnant, they will take the blood sample to to run the test whether it is true or false. These are the various stages or aspects of science and technology. Now we'll go into the importance of science and technology. Science and technology are important in so many ways. Number one, it has brought improvements in the standard of living. we can all see that the standard of living has been improved and is better compared to in the olden days. The way we eat now is different from the way we eat in the olden days. When we talk of our food preservation in the present day is different from in the olden days. In the modern world now, we have refrigerator which we use in preserving our food, unlike in the olden days things like this were not available. Easy transportation is now made very easy as a result of science and technology. Means of transportation either by helicopter, aeroplane has been replaced by trekking a long miles or distance away. Then we have increase in food production. We can see that science and technology has also brought about increase in food production. We have so many factories producing food, and it has really helped us, and it has brought about development into the country. Improvement in communication, the way of communication or the standard of communication has been improved as well. We no longer trek miles to go and deliver message as in the olden days. We can see in the current world we have the use of telephone. You telephone, either you call, you use Instagram, you use Facebook, you use WhatsApp to communicate. Everything is easy now. Then the last one, improvement in healthcare services. Science and technology has also brought improvement in healthcare services. We can see people no longer die the way they die in the olden days. When a child is sick and is taken to the hospital, doctor will detect the cause of the sickness, and immediate solution will be given to that child. The child will not die. Unlike in the olden days, they will find it difficult to detect it. They will just eventually they will say it's abiku, and the child will just die like that. With the help of science and technology, the new world has changed. Shortly before we leave, I have a short classwork for us here. Let me read the questions while you're listening. Question number 1. Dash is a systematic way of acquiring knowledge about a particular field of study. A. Social studies. B. Filing. C. Science. D. Technology. The answer is science. Like I told you earlier, science is the systematic way of acquiring knowledge about a particular field of study. Question number 2. The following are essential aspects of science except A. Observation. B. Definition of problems. C. Society. D. Experimentation. The answer is society. And the last question. Which of the following is not a step used by scientists in carrying out research? A. Statement of the problem. B. Formulation of hypothesis. C. Analysis. D. Entertainment. The answer is entertainment. All right. For further reading, I will refer you to portal. Just go through the portal. You get other details. Thank you. See you next. Bye.